Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're asking a question. Is your website's carbon footprint undermining your sustainability efforts? Website sustainability is a topic that's making its way into the digital marketing industry. Industry leaders like Elementor, the WordPress page builder, stated that sustainable website design is a trend that aligns with an increasing consumer demand for eco-conscious brands and ethical best practices. In this video, we're breaking down how a website has a carbon footprint and how an organisation's online presence contributes to their carbon emissions, some practical steps to achieve a more sustainable website for your brand, the future of sustainability in digital marketing and how we can stay ahead, and we'll share how you can discover your website's carbon score. What are the hidden environmental costs of a website? You may know that data is stored in a cloud, and not the fluffy kind, but what does this actually mean? Every website visit, email sent, and file stored in cloud data centres contributes to our collective carbon footprint. In fact, many websites with heavy images, autoplay videos, complex animations, and inefficient code demand substantial server resources and therefore energy to load. This digital activity comes with a very real environmental price tag. According to Green Intelligence, the internet currently produces approximately 3.7% of global carbon emissions, more than double that of the entire global aviation industry. And with the continuous use of artificial intelligence, or AI, in digital marketing, it's set to continue increasing. For organisations promoting sustainable values or commitments to the environmental, social and governance, or ESG framework, website efficiency isn't just a technical consideration, it's a vital part of a digital presence that represents core values. And it can also be great for business. Understanding and dedicating resources to website sustainability delivers multiple benefits. An improved user experience or UX, faster page speeds and higher conversions, better search rankings, an edge over competitors, reduced operational costs, better brand alignment, and the ability to demonstrate green credentials. So, how can a website be more sustainable? Here's our tips. Optimize website content and imagery. By frequently reviewing and removing outdated or irrelevant information, we create a better user experience with less content. This means a reduced server load, a decrease in the energy consumption of our website, and lower emissions per visit, which results in faster loading times and a more sustainable digital presence. Our tip: conduct a quarterly audit of your content and use Google Analytics 4 to identify and remove or update low-performing pages. Focus particularly on image-heavy pages that may be contributing disproportionately to the website's carbon footprint. Be selective with plugins. Plugins improve the functionality of a WordPress website and allow for a more bespoke and a unique user experience, but too many will significantly increase a website's carbon footprint. When selecting plugins, look at reliability and reputation. Is the plugin developer trustworthy? What do reviews say? Compatibility with the latest platform versions. Check if they're up to date with WordPress software updates and how often they're updated by developers to reflect these changes. Quality of support and maintenance. Are the developers available to provide support for functionality or running problems with the plugin? How valuable is their support? Code efficiency and impact on load times. Avoid plugins eating away at too many resources and focus on the ones that will utilise efficient coding. Do you have multiple plugins doing the same thing? There should only need to be one plugin per job or feature on the website. Our tip: check existing and active plugins monthly and remove any that aren't providing significant value or could be replaced with lighter, more efficient alternatives. Choose a greener website host. This means choosing a server that is powered using only renewable energy sources. Choose the right host by evaluating their energy efficiency, renewable resource usage, sustainable values, and eco practices. Our tip: Look specifically for hosting providers powered by 100% renewable energy, such as wind or solar power. You can use the Green Web Foundation to find a host that supports sustainable values and display these credentials on your website with an embedded badge like this one on our website. And for those more technical, the following optimization tips can dramatically reduce a website's energy usage. Use efficient caching, compress and properly size all images, reduce the content and structure of each page, enable lazy loading for images and videos, use an optimization plugin. Our tip? Tools like Google's Page Speed Insights can identify specific technical optimizations for your website, prioritized by level of impact. If you need help with more technical elements of optimizing a website, talk to a sustainable developer like us today to get started. Going forward, what does the future of sustainable digital marketing look like? Many organisations are actively working to reduce their environmental impact, and consumers are opting for eco-friendly choices in their shopping habits, selecting the eco-friendly options available. Sustainability is not a passing trend, and here's the changes in online marketing we're currently looking out for. Efficient data centres powered entirely by renewable energy, browser technologies that prioritise efficiency and reduced energy consumption, carbon-aware content delivery networks that route traffic based on electricity grid cleanliness, AI tools designed to optimise code and content for minimal environmental impact, increased awareness of how digital emissions impact overall climate change. For those of you looking to build an effective online presence, choosing a digital partner with sustainable values will help ensure they have the best possible approach to digital marketing. So, does your website cost the earth? Find out now. There are now many free tools available to allow organisations to measure website carbon emissions. Website Carbon Calculator provides a clear estimate of CO2e or equivalent per page load. EcoGrader gives users a fully comprehensive sustainability score for their web page with recommendations. PageSpeed Insights, Google's tool, includes performance metrics directly relating to energy efficiency. Green Web Foundation checks a website's hosting provider against a lengthy directory or sustainable hosts to find out if the host is powered using renewable energy. And once you're aware of your website's carbon footprint, you can take action. Use the links in the description to these tools and measure your website's carbon footprint to find out how much your website is contributing to your overall carbon emissions. Then, use the strategies we've recommended to improve your website carbon footprint. If you need help with this, we recommend partnering with a digital marketing agency for further support. The result will be a faster, more efficient website that boosts brand credibility, improves user experience, and genuinely reduces environmental impact, increasing the likelihood of conversions from online visitors with a greener mindset. Our team specialises in designing and developing bespoke, high-performing sustainable websites that align with organisational values. If you'd like our help with any of the above, get in touch with our team of experts today. Drop a like on this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more digital marketing insights and tips like this. Thank you.